All of you, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can't hear everyone. Roll number 5 is Anvika. Anvika? So till the time everyone join the call, just listen this song, okay?
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6.
I think Trisha, your audio is not working, and Anvika, yours also. Can you check? I can't hear you. Just try to say something. Yeah, I think your audio is not working. You're not audible. Trisha, you too. Can you check? All right.
7, 8, 9. 10. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, 2. 1. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, 2. 1.
Five, okay, just 3 minutes more, 2 more minutes, then we will begin.
10, 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, 2. 1.
Okay, 2 more minutes, then we will begin. Okay. So, all of you, can you see? Yes, my screen.
तो वो वाली जगह पे काम पे बैठ आवाज नहीं आ रही थी
And also, Anvika, you are not audible to me. Can you say something? Roll number 5, Anvika. Anvika? Okay. It's okay. I think your audio is not working. Okay.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Bonjour.
Comment ça va? यार मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही
Unmute yourself, all of you.
मम्मी मेरी मीटिंग चल रही है
Okay. Bonjour. All of you say bonjour. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour
Say bonjour, madame.
मैम क्या Ma'am, can you tell me the meaning of bonjour?
Okay, bonjour means hello. Okay, bonjour just as we say, जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो हम हेलो बोलते हैं, नमस्ते बोलते हैं, सेम एज जब हम फ्रेंच में हाउ डू पीपल ग्रीट विद ईच अदर, जब वो फर्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं तो दे से bonjour. ओके, bonjour means hello. Bonjour. So मैम मैं
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून, bon après-midi. ओके, तो मैं आपकी मैम हूँ तो आप मुझे बोलोगे bonjour madame. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू से bonjour madame.
Ma'am, the bonjour meaning is hello.
Yeah, bonjour means hello.
And ma'am, my brother is telling me bonjour meaning is hello in French language.
Yes, he is right, absolutely right. So bonjour means hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, bonjour means hello, right? So all of you say bonjour madame. Say bonjour madame. All of you.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Mooks, Trisha.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Hello, Nodi.
Bonjour. Okay. So,
Hello, Nodi.
okay, do you see the screen now? Two smileys. Two smileys. Right? So, if I say Komosawa, Komosawa.
Ma'am, what is this?
Okay. So, if I want to know how are you? Okay. How are you? So, what do you say? I am fine. Right? So, if I say how are you in French, I say Komosawa. Okay. Komosawa means how are you? I will write it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me.
ma'am, ma'am, हम इधर आओ को कम हेयर को हम फ्रेंच में क्या बोलेंगे?
Discuss that also. Okay. We will just for now listen this Komosawa. Okay. Komosawa means how are you? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Komosawa means how are you? So your answer will be Sawabiya. Okay. Sawabiya, Sawathebiya. Sawabiya, Sawathebiya. So if you are happy, you are going to say Sawabiya. If you are too much happy, you are going to say Sawathebiya. Okay. So all of you, if I say Komosawa, your answer will be Sawabiya. Okay. So Komosawa. Yeah. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Wonderful. Sawathebiya. Yeah, Trisha, unmute yourself. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I am Twisha.
Okay. Yeah, Trisha, Komosawa. Yeah, reply.
What, ma'am?
Komosawa. Yeah, tell me what is the answer? What you can say if I say Komosawa?
Ma'am, the Kurosawa is
Yeah, Komosawa means how are you? Okay. So your answer will
okay,
be,
ma'am.
yeah, so your answer will be Sawabiya. Okay.
Hava Mia is ma'am. How are you?
No, Komosawa means how are you? Okay. Komosawa.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Komosawa means how are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Komosawa means how are you? Okay, I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
send you this one. You see this COMMENT? You see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Means Como. COMMENT. This means Como Sawa. Como Sawa.
Ma'am, what is Kurosama?
Not Sama. This is Sawa. Sawa.
Ma'am, what is Kurosawa?
Komosawa means how are you?
Oh man.
Got it?
Como sava is French language of hello.
Yeah. Okay, so I think you are new to French also. So in this class, we are learning French, okay? And you will
Okay,
learn
ma'am.
so many words, French words, and I know you must be knowing them in English, but you might not be knowing in French. So we are trying to translate the words or sentences from English to French, right? So we know like how do we say hello in English, but
Ma'am, can you
okay, just listen first.
bonjour?
Bonjour, yeah. So como ça va means
Ma'am,
how are you? Okay, so your answer.
ma'am, como sava means is how are you? And
Wonderful.
bonjour means
Hello.
hello.
Wow. So it's not bonjour, it's bonjour. Bon,
Bonjour.
bon, bonjour. Je.
Bonjour.
Shoe, not shoe. Shoe. Je. Okay. Je.
Bonjour.
Wow.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is written on the screen like Como Thava's answer?
So this is Savabiya. Okay, this is Sava.
Ma'am, please tell what we call I am happy in French.
Beta, just listen this.
Savabiya.
Yeah, we will answer your question, but just try to understand what I'm saying here. Okay. Okay. So this is Savabiya and this is Savabiya. Okay.
मैम हमें लिखना है.
If you have notebook, you can write. Okay.
Okay, मैम मैं लिख रही हूँ इसे.
All of you can write. I mean, all of you, do you have notebook?
Yes, ma'am, I have my rough notebooks.
Very nice. All of, like if you have notebook, just write in notebook also.
Okay, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Ma'am, I am writing.
You're writing? Okay, bonjour. All of you, do
Yes.
you have notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just write this. Bonjour. Okay, bonjour. Have you written bonjour? Mo, you written? Are you writing? Do you have notebook? Moksh? No?
मैम आप उस स्क्रीन को दिखा दो.
कौन सी screen? Okay, this one, Komosawa?
Yes, ma'am, this.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am writing in my rough notebook.
Okay, so you know, I will share these slides in the group also. So if you are not writing it now, you can write it later. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I will share the slides in the group also. So you can tally the spelling also. Okay? This is Komosawa. So just try to understand what I am trying to say and you can make a note of it later on. All right, Trisha?
Ma'am, I am right. Ma'am, आप अभी 10-15 minutes आप इसी slide पे रहिए.
It will be too much. Okay. So what I can do is I will share this slide in the group and you can make a note of it later on. Okay.
Ma'am, मुझे बस 10-15 minutes दे दीजिए.
10-15 minutes, beta. It will be too much, right? So it's better just try to learn what I'm trying to say. Okay, just
Ma'am, I am copy only picture. And I will copy only picture.
okay.
Okay, ma'am, मैं बस picture को copy कर रही हूँ.
Okay, you can take a photo also instead of writing. If you have a mobile, you can take a photo also. Otherwise, I will share later on. Okay? Then you can make a note of it. All right, beta? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, just try to learn. Savabiya, Savathebiya. Okay, so this is Savabiya. Savabiya means I am good. I'm feeling happy.
Hello, Vedakshi.
Okay, and this is Savathebiya. Sava,
One more. Ma'am, Sava Minya. Sava Thanya. Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Can you tell me my roll number?
What is your name? Ayush?
No, ma'am, Vedanshi.
Vedanshi? Okay. 12. Yours is 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So, all of you, do you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is written here? Je m'appelle.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, I am Twisha. मेरा roll number क्या है?
Twisha, I think you just joined, right? So, I will tell you
Yes,
later.
ma'am.
Yeah, I will tell you later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay,
Once
ma'am.
I decide your roll number, I will tell you. I will post in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
लेकिन मेरा roll number 33 है वैसे.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yeah, yeah. Tell me.
मैम जो इस क्लास जो फ्रेंच क्लास में
Right. Yes.
मैम जो फ्रेंच क्लास में नॉटी है
I can't hear you. Trisha? I can't hear you. Okay, so
मैम
yeah, I think all of you, can you see the screen? So something is written here, right? So this is
Yes.
Jamapel Pallavi Bhatia. Okay. So this is Jamapel Pallavi Bhatia. So this means I call myself Pallavi Bhatia, or you can say my name is Pallavi Bhatia, right? So my name is Pallavi Bhatia. So how you can say this way in French? Je m'appelle Pallavi Bhatia. So now all of you, you are going to tell me your name. All right. All of you, you are going to tell me your name. So first I will call Advay. Unmute yourself and say Je m'appelle. Yeah. Yeah. Tell
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle and your name.
Je m'appelle Advait Goel.
Very nice. And do you know what does it mean? Yeah.
My name is Advait Goel.
Very nice. So if you want to say in French, you can say Je m'appelle Advay Goyal.
Je
Okay.
m'appelle. Je
Advay.
m'appelle Advait Goel.
Okay. Trisha, unmute yourself. Trisha, you there?
मैम yes.
Okay. Yeah. What is your name? Okay. So tell me this in French.
Ma'am, my name is Twisha Goyal.
Okay. So how you can say this in French?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Je m'appelle Trisha Goyal. Okay. Je.
Java Bell Twisha Goyal.
Hold on. This is Je m'appelle. You see P.
Jama
Bell.
Bell
Not Bell.
Twisha Goyal.
Hold on. This is B or P? What is this? P or B?
Ma'am, P.
P. So it will sound P. P. Okay, not B. So Je m'appelle Pallavi Bhatia. Je m'appelle. Say Je m'appelle Twisha Goyal.
Jama Bell
Yeah.
Twisha Goyal.
Very nice. One more time.
Jama Bell Twisha Goyal.
Wonderful. Okay. Now I will call Moksh. Yeah, Moksh. Go ahead. Yeah. Moksh, say your name. What is your name?
Jamapel Mokshutani.
Wonderful. One more time. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. Tell me. Je m'appelle. Yeah. One more time. Say one more time. Je m'appelle Moksh Bhutani. Yeah. No. Say one more time. एक बार और बोलो अपना नाम फ्रेंच में.
Jamapel Mokshutani.
Wonderful. Okay. Now I will call roll number 10. Can you unmute yourself now? Yeah. Go ahead.
Jamapel Shaina Bhutani.
Wonderful. One more time.
Jamapel Shaina Bhutani.
Okay, this is je. Okay, je. All right, je. Yeah, je.
Jamapel
Very nice.
Jamapel Shaina Bhutani.
Wonderful. Yeah, Vedanshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Jamapel Vedanti Soni.
wonderful. Yeah, roll number 5, unmute yourself. Yeah, Anvika. Are you able to unmute? I think no, your audio is not working. Anyone is left? I think we all are done. All right. So now I'm moving towards the next slide. Okay. All of you see the numbers? Okay. So last time we did the numbers 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how do we say this in French? Anyone remember? Okay. Raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, all of you? Okay. Very nice. So tell me, Moksh, unmute yourself. Yeah. Unmute, yeah.
Und,
Uh, one as an one, yeah, 2 as in the,
dos,
yeah, 3 as in thwa.
trois,
Thwa, very nice. The thwa. One as in the thwa.
trois,
Okay, say 5 times the thwa.
deux, trois,
Very nice.
deux, trois,
Wonderful.
deux, trois,
Wow.
deux, trois.
Okay, now Vedanshi, continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Zero, twa,
No. The thwa. Okay. One. Yeah.
zero,
No. This is one as in yeah. The 2 as in the. Okay. 2 as in the.
zero,
There is no zero here. There is no zero. Do you see zero here? No. So you should not say this also. Okay. So you see here the thwa.
Ma'am,
Yeah, the thwa. Say 5 times, Vedanshi. Okay, just practice it. I will call you later. Okay, just practice.
order and
Okay, now I will call roll number 10. Roll number 10 now.
yes,
Yeah, continue. Okay, I think you are new. Okay.
ma'am.
The thwa.
Yes, ma'am.
The thwa. Okay. All of you practice.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. One as in
add
thwa.
tra,
Thwa. Tha se third must.
tra,
Thwa. Okay. The thwa. Thwa. the thwa. Say 5 times. The thwa. The thwa. Thwa. Very nice. Thwa. Wonderful. Wow. The. Wow. Very nice. Now I will call Advay. Unmute yourself. Advay. Yeah. Very nice. Wonderful. Yeah.
My roll number is
Okay. Wow. So I think now you will be able to tell your roll numbers in French also, right? Okay. So next, going forward, you will have to write your roll number in French only. Okay? Not in numbers. You have to just write it. Wow. Okay, now I Trisha, yeah, read the numbers.
Ma'am, what is my roll number?
I will tell you later. Okay?
मैम तो आपने ये बोला है कि सब अपना रोल नंबर फ्रेंच में लिखें, लेकिन मुझे अपना रोल नंबर नहीं पता.
Because you just joined, so I will tell you later. Going forward, you have to do this. All right?
तो मैम क्या मैं ये लिंक बाद में कर लूँ ये काम?
बिल्कुल. अभी आपको okay, I will tell you. आपको जब आप क्लास ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपको सिर्फ लिसन करना है और अंडरस्टैंड करना है. आपको राइटिंग वर्क लेटर ऑन करना है. ओके? I will share these slides in the group also so that you can write in your notebook. All right? Okay? And don't worry, I will share these slides with all of you because you are learning. So I will definitely share these slides with all of you. Okay? So that you can write in your notebook. Okay? Because first, if you do not know how to say this, how you will be able to write? Am I right? You do not know what you are writing. So first you need to understand what you are writing. Okay, then you will be able to write. Is it okay to all of you? Okay, so now just try to understand the, thwa. I will give time to you also to write. Okay, so the, thwa. Okay, now I will tell you how to say 4 and 5. Is it okay to all of you? So how do we say 4? 4 as in cat. Q-U-A-T-R-E. So this is cat. Okay, cat. Q-U-A-T-R-E. Cat. So 4 as in cat. And 5 as in sang. Yeah, 4 as in
cat.
Yeah, 4. All of you just say 5 times cat. 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 Yeah, cat. Cat. Yeah.
Cat.
You say
Cat.
yeah, cat. Cat.
Cat.
Wonderful. Now next number is 5. So how do we say this in French? This is sank. C-I-N-Q. Sank. Okay? This is sank. Cat. Sank. So sank, say 5 times. Sank. 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 Okay. So 4 as in cat, 5 as in sank. Cat, sank. Cat, sank. Cat, sank. Yeah. Cat, sank.
Cat.
Yeah.
Sank.
Wonderful. Cat,
Sank.
sank. Very nice. So now the, thwa, cat sank. At one go. The, thwa, cat sank. The, thwa, cat sank.
Cat. Sank.
Very nice. Wonderful. So one more time, all of you unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, all of you. So now we will practice this. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Vedanshi, you too. Trisha. Okay, now I would like to listen you, hear you. Okay, so now just repeat after me. The thwa cat sang. All of you.
What are you
The
saying?
cat
Sun.
One more.
The cat sang.
What cat sang?
Very nice. Yeah. Advay, you too.
The
The cat sang.
Very nice. Moksh.
The thought cat sang.
Wonderful. Very nice. Moksh. Hey, you too. Very nice.
cat sang.
Wonderful. Okay, so now I play a audio. Okay, just listen that, and if you just give me a second, I will log in one more time. Okay, because the time is getting out. So just give me a second. All right, just stay there. Be there. I'm coming in a second.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम सेकंड में आ रही है